YouTube? Eric DIY with another video review for you. Today we're going to review the Aisirer Wi-Fi Smart Power Strip. Inside the box, it comes with the power strip itself, comes with a manual, and it comes with a thing to show you what app they want you to use. I actually like the app that they tell you to use on this one, and that's Smart Life. I really like the Smart Life app. The Aisirer Smart Power Strip has 4 individually controlled outlets with the Smart Life app, and it also has 4 2.4 amp USB outlets. We're just gonna plug it in, and you'll hear it click like that. Just means that it has power in it. You're then gonna grab your smartphone, and you're gonna download the Smart Life app. This is the app that I actually use for all my smart devices. I like it a lot better than any other one I found. So I'm going to start my Smart Life app. You can download it through the Google Play Store. And I'm going to enter in my password. Now as you can see, I have all these wonderful things already hooked up through Smart Life. All these smart outlets, the mosquito trap that I reviewed in a previous video. So I do review a lot of smart products, and I'll leave links in the description below so that way you can see the smart items I've actually reviewed in the past. To add the Aisirer Smart Power Strip, we're going to push plus in the upper right hand corner, and we're just going to say electrical outlet, and I'll start searching for it. So it says power on the device, confirm that the indicator light rapidly blinks. We just turned it off and on, and it is, if you notice on the power right there. So I'm going to push confirm, and then you want to be connected to your Wi-Fi. So it has my Wi-Fi password on here. I'm just going to confirm it, and then it's going to look for the Smart Power Strip. And as you can see, it's finding it. It actually turned off and on really quick. And that thing just tells me that Alexa has actually found it too. So they call it Smart Power Strip. I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to be calling it Smart Power Strip in my voice commands, but you can call it whatever you want by hitting this pencil icon and typing whatever you want to call it. We have Alexa here, so that's what we're going to be using. On the Smart Life app, it has all your outlets right here. Notice that they each have lights above them right here. So if I push light 4, they're all on right now, by the way. That's why they're green. If I push light 4, you notice that the light turned off and the outlet is off. Light 3, light 2, light 1. And then I can turn them on individually as well. Light 1, 2, 3, 4. It also has an on-off switch for the USB ports on the power strip as well in the Smart Life app. Or I could power off the whole power strip by pushing one button, by pushing the main power button right here. And that turns the whole strip off. And likewise, I can turn it on by pushing that, and it turns the whole thing on. It also has an alarm, which is actually a scheduler, so you can schedule each individual device, including USB. You can have a schedule for when it's on or off, which is a nice feature to have. You also have a countdown, so if you want things to stay on for 15 minutes and then turn off automatically, you could have like a sleep timer on that. Those are the features that the Smart Power Strip has. So in the past, if you want to use this with Alexa, you'd have to go into the Alexa app by clicking there. And you'd have to go into the menu button right up here and go to Smart Home, and then you would add a device. However, I've been seeing that it adds things automatically as it finds them in the Smart Life app. So Smart Power Strip is already there, if you notice, and it sends you a notification saying new plug named Smart Power Strip is found, and it tells you how to turn it on and off. So we're going to do our all-time favorite test. Zachary's going to help me out. Now we have Zach's octopus lamp, and it's plugged into light 4 right here. We're going to show you how to control this using Amazon Alexa. However, I do have to tell you that unlike the Smart Life app where you can control each outlet separately, with voice control, you're only going to be able to turn off the whole entire power strip. So you could either turn the whole power strip on or the whole power strip off. You cannot control each socket individually with Alexa, but you can do it with the Smart Life app. Zach, please turn off your lamp using Alexa.
Alexa, turn off Smart Power Strip. Okay.
All right, and turn it back on, please.
Alexa, turn on Smart Power Strip. Okay.
And as you can see, it has to control the whole power strip when using voice commands. It's still not a bad thing. If you hook this up to a TV or anything like that, you can turn off everything with one voice command. I have the Smart Power Strip hooked up with the USB cable from my phone into this USB outlet for charging. It is not rapid charging. This is a Pixel 2 that we're dealing with, but it does charge pretty fast if you're only using one device, 2.4 amps. It said it would take about 12 minutes to charge the last 10%. So I was at 90 and it should be at 112 minutes, which isn't that bad at all. I also have a fan hooked up and the octopus lamp, so that way we can see turning off the device using Alexa and also the Smart Life app. Alexa, turn off smart power strip.
Okay.
And you'll notice that, again, with voice commands, you can only have the command to turn everything off, the whole power strip. Alexa, turn on smart power strip.
Okay.
And there you go. So whatever you have connected to it, it's going to turn on everything all at once. That is what is controlled with Alexa or Google Home. Now, if you want control over the individual sockets, you go to your Smart Life app right on your phone. You're going to log in. And we're going to select the smart power strip right here with our fingers. And it says that everything's on. I have the lamp on light 4. So I'm going to push light 4 to turn the lamp off. But you notice that everything else stays on. I can also tell it to turn off the USB so that it won't charge my phone anymore. I can turn it back on to keep it charging. The fan is on light 3. And I can turn the lamp back on with light 4. And that is how you can control each individual socket. So the Aisirer Smart Power Strip is really good. One thing I wish it could do is control each individual socket separately with Alexa, but it's not a big loss. You could still control the whole thing. So if you're using it at bedtime and you're going off to work and you forgot to turn off your devices there, you can turn it off wherever you are in the world, honestly, as long as you have Wi-Fi or some type of internet on your phone. But overall, the power strip is really good. I'll be using it probably in my office to turn off multiple things. Again, if I'm at work and I go, oh, I forgot to turn that off, I'll turn it off that way. So, if you'd like to purchase your Aisirer Wi-Fi Smart Power Strip, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate that. And if you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, please also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate everything you do for us. Please keep watching our videos and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.